You know, I've only seen 2 people on the trails today. No idea why. Normally it'd be swarming with people. Not really sure. Yeah, beats me.
Hello from Mont Sutton. Located in the Appalachian mountain range of southern Quebec, it offers over 30 kilometers of highly technical trails, the perfect training conditions for the Quebec Mega Trail ultramarathon. For today's training, I will be circumnavigating the ski resort twice for a total of 42.2 kilometers and nearly 2,500 meters of elevation gain. If I am able to outlast the nasty downpour and absolute soggy bottom conditions leading to my GoPro microphone failing on me, it will be a real confidence booster heading into the Quebec Mega Trail race, 1 month away.
Okay, left Montreal about 7:30 a.m. trying to get to Mont Sutton by 9 for the trail opening. We got some overcast skies today with pretty high chance of some thunderstorms in the afternoon, which is quite unfortunate, but you can't choose the weather on race day, so if that comes to be, then so be it. It's good practice. Salut!
Allô?
Si.
Merci, bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Right when I got here, it was basically right when it just started absolutely pouring. It's perfect timing. Woo! You know, at the start of the run, it's funny, you're always trying to avoid the puddles, but at some point, your shoes become puddles, and then you just bomb it through. I haven't got to that point yet, but it's coming. It's pretty cool, a little eerie, but as I'm starting to get higher in elevation here, there's a beautiful sort of shroudy mist now. When I was driving in, the tips of all the mountains were covered by the low cloud base. So I'm starting to wonder if that's what I'm hitting now. Really beautiful, really cool. That also means, if that's true, the views at the top, well, there won't be any views. We'll see, we'll see. Salut. As suspected, you can't see anything. So, no point in spending any time there. It's been about an hour, just over an hour now, so the goal is to simulate what it'll be like at the Quebec Mega Trail. So I'm aiming for 90 grams of carbohydrates every hour. So for this run, I need to simulate that with what I'm gonna try and eat for the race. So I've got Precision Fuel, 90 gram carb gel. Now for anyone who's had a gel before, some are great, some are not so great. This one, the flavor is unflavored. I've never had one of these before, so now's the time to test it out. Basically how it gets 90 grams in this, it's 3 gels in 1. Which, don't get me wrong, I find that as unappealing as the rest of you. But it's simply the most convenient way I think I can get 90 grams. So let's see how it is. You know what? Call me crazy, but that's probably the best gel I've ever had. I'm not affiliated with Precision Fuel. This is an honest review. The unflavored, I think, is where it's at. It doesn't really taste like anything. It's a little sweet. It's good. Hey, that's pretty good. So that's encouraging. Hopefully it stays down pretty well the day of the race. Oh, there's some sort of pond or lake to the left of me. I don't know if that's Mud Lake. Let's take a look. Well, gotta be careful. You put the GoPro down in the woods, it's tough to find. It blends in with the foliage. It's possible these clouds roll out, and I'm hitting about 3 summits today. There's gonna be 4, but Round Top, unfortunately, is closed. That, I think, is the most popular summit. I think it's the most scenic. Hopefully, by the time I make the next summit, I'll have something to show for it. This is a gnarly section. Holy. We're heading to the double yellow diamonds. An expert trail. Let's see what expert looks like. Maybe that's why the trail's extreme. Nice bear claws. Another summit. Another disappointment. Ooh, this is fun. Oh, short-lived. Okay, our first view. Haha! Woo! Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I'm not even on a summit or anything. I'm actually descending the other side of Round Top, the side we're allowed to go on. So, a bit of a surprise. Didn't think I was gonna see any sort of lookout, especially since I've hit all the summits on this first go. So, hey. Woo! Descent now. It seems to stop raining. I'm just happy that these trails are a little more runnable than going up. It's about halfway. I'm gonna simulate a little aid station pit stop here, eat some food, get some food and drink, and then head back out there. I'm at 5 hours now, a little over 30 kilometers.
And as its last act of service for the day, my GoPro microphone clicked off, leaving me in complete silence, talking to myself more than I already was. However, unlike my microphone, I continued to complete the mission while capturing the last climb to the top of Mont Sutton. It was here where I decided to alter my original route through the woods to the ski slopes in hopes to capture scenic footage, clouds permitting. After blabbing on a little more to myself about, ooh, distance this, elevation that, I emerged from the slopes with the most sun I'd seen all day. And with a triumphant smile, I closed out the last few hundred meters to the finish line, my car, before summarizing the day. While it was a complete rainy and muddy mess, I chalked it up to both a valuable physical and mental training day. Thank you so much for tagging along to my solo trail marathon adventure. I absolutely loved having you with me. If you'd like to join me on more adventures, including the Quebec Mega Trail Ultra Marathon, be sure to like and subscribe to not miss it. My final big run before the event will take me back to Mont Sutton, where I revisit a past trail race missed turn.
This was not roped off, by the way. It's to the right. Look at that. Come on, that's the trail?
Find a random dodgy cabin.
Hello? Hello?
And accidentally find myself on a Spartan obstacle race course. Thank you so much. See you next time.